I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. My favorite time of year is the Christmas season. My husband Eric's favorite time of year is the Ohio corn season. A couple of days ago, he called me from a farmer's market and he said, "Hey, how about we have more corn on the cob for dinner tonight?" Well, we just had it 2 nights ago. So I said, okay, fine. Bring home 4 ears of corn, that's good. He comes home with a dozen ears of corn. When you have fresh corn, you have to cook it all at once. So I came up with a very fun idea for that leftover corn. First, I make the Cajun spice mixture. Half a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and panko breadcrumbs. These are plain. So I'm going to use about 3/4 of a cup. Just mix that all up. All right. We'll set that aside for now. Now I'll get some leftover corn. Here's my leftover roasted corn. You know, of course, that the easiest and best way to roast corn on the grill is not to do a thing to it other than soak it in water for an hour or two, in the husks and everything. Throw it on the grill. When the husks get all black, you peel it down, you've got beautiful corn. So this was from a day or two ago. So it's nice and cold. It's been refrigerated. And for some reason, I love to cut corn off the cob. So what you do is you cut those strips of corn off the cob. And you're going to wind up with some nice little chunks of corn off the cob. So you have to work with this very carefully. But I'm going to set those aside. Like that. And then the rest of the corn that's left over, well, that goes into a salad, or throw it into a corn muffin mix. I'm all set up here at the stove. I have a big pan. There's about 1 inch of vegetable oil that I've been heating. Yeah, I'm getting that sizzle, so we're ready to go with our corn crunchies. So what you do, you have to be very careful with these. I dip them first in flour to dry them off. Then I dip them in some beaten egg. Then I dip them in this Cajun panko mixture. And we're going to fry them up. And because the corn is already cooked, all we want to do basically is brown them. Make them nice and crispy. Now, because they cook so quickly, you have to do these guys in batches. So I'm going to flip them around a little bit, let the second side get crunchy. And then I'm going to scoop them up, drain them on paper towels. One more little thing I like to do at the end when they're all cooked up is just give it a little bit of salt. There. They're done. And there you have it. Cajun corn crunchies. I must admit, it's a lot of labor involved because you have to dip all these little chunks 3 times and fry them up and everything, so there's a little bit of work to this. But it's totally worth it.